Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I have a templates preview, as well as I'm going to give away the measurements to the template at the end of the video. And this was just something that I happened to see at Walmart when I was checking out. You know how they have all types of goodies, but this one was my first time seeing this. I had never seen this before. But I thought that this would be a great thing if you're having a party to do party favors, because this whole bag was only like $1 and some change. It was under $2, and as you see, you get 20 pouches in this whole bag. And pretty much what it is this little packets of Pop Rocks that look like this, which I thought was the perfect size, to give away in little treat bags, goodie bags. So these are the two. I just did 2 packs, 2 wrappers, and it is on the front and the back. This is what I came up with. This is how it looks. Just so you can kind of get an idea of like how big it is compared to that. But I just used regular paper, nothing special. This is actually, I think, like just Walmart paper. And I just put it together using the glue gun. But if you have the sticker machine, you guys use your sticker machine. I just didn't feel like getting it out, and I just didn't feel like doing it. I don't know. I didn't feel like being extra today. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the measurements of this so you guys can, decorate and design them to whatever event, or they would be good also, to give away to the class. Like if your kid is starting school and it's their birthdays, these would be good to customize, or even for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and to give away to the classroom. So okay, enough. Let's get into the measurements. All right. Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be giving you the measurements for the AfterShocks Poppin' Candy template. As you can see, these are the 2 that I printed out in the video of the preview. So let me go ahead and let me first ungroup it, because these are just separate boxes that I put together to get the front and the back. So the box itself, the height is 2 inches and the width is 2 by 6. And all you need to do is create 2 boxes. Forget this right here. All you need to do is create 2 separate boxes, one for the front and one that's going to act as the back. And then once you go ahead and, let's say we copy this, paste it. Okay, so this is going to be the front. Now we need to come up with the back. Go ahead and paste the back and get it where you want it. And as you can see, it's facing the same way, which that's not going to work because the words will be upside down and backwards. So we're going to click on it, go to rotate, and you're going to flip it vertical, as well as go back up to rotate and flip it horizontal. That way, the words are straight and not upside down. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free to ask. And as always, hey everybody, so I've been getting some requests to do custom items, but as you guys know, I no longer have a shop, so I do not sell items, but I do have some shops right here that are listed. These are people that are very talented. These people are very creative. You can find them on Etsy, Instagram, Facebook. And if you do not see something on their shop, you can always request custom items. We're going to take a look at this shop right here. There's all types of stuff. As you can see, there is a huge variety and things to choose from. Like I said, feel free to message these people and ask for custom items. You can find different things on each and every one of these, one of these pages. They have great reviews. I highly recommend them. Even if you just go in and take a look, save their shops, add these things to your favorite. Look at this stuff. Just Like very creative stuff here. You know, go ahead, send these people a message. You guys, they got you. They're here. They are here. Yeah. So let's keep looking. Let's see what else we got. Look at this stuff, you guys. This stuff is awesome. This stuff is very creative. Look at this. Another shop. Y'all, half of this stuff I wish I could do. Like the food stuff, girl, you got it. I cannot do no food stuff for nothing. And then, like I said, Facebook as well. Be sure to check out all of these places. Add them to your you know, your favorites. Like them. Spread the word about them. If you need custom items, feel free to message them. Like I said, they will work with you to pretty much get the item that you need. So yeah. So I just wanted to get that out there to you know, support these shops, support each other, and I will see you guys very soon.